Hello students. So we were doing the fourth chapter of our literature book, and the name of the chapter is Alice is Puzzled. Okay, this is the portion of our literature book. First video I have already uploaded. Okay, you have to check out the first video in our school YouTube channel that you can check out from there. Okay, and we have already covered the portion of page number 25, 26 and 27. Okay, and today we have to move further and we have to complete the chapter. Okay, so let's get started. As what happened that Alice was really very, you can say that surprised and puzzled that what things were going on with her. She even didn't know. Okay, and she was really worried about that. She already grew up to 9 feet tall, and it is very difficult for her to come out from that small door. Fine. Now what happened? She sat there, she started crying and crying. Let's see what happened after that. But I'm starting from page number 27, the last paragraph, because I have already covered the rest of the portion in the previous video. Okay, so now what happened? See. But she went on all the same, shedding gallons of tears until there was a large pool about 4 inches deep all around. Now what happened? She sat down nearby the wall area and she started crying and crying. Shedding means she started crying. Okay. And what happened after the gallons of tears? That means the tears as she was crying. Okay. So the tear got, you can say that collected over there, and it was just like a pool, and it was about 4 inches deep. That means the collection of tear was like that. It was around 4 inches deep. Now, after some time, she heard a little pattering of feet in the distance, and she has steadily dried her eyes to see what was coming. Now, what happened? See, she was crying. Okay, then later on, she heard a pattering sound, means irregular sound, not like that means sometimes sound is coming like this, sometimes it was not. So what happened? So she heard the that pattering sound that was coming nearer to her. Okay, and what happened? She quickly, has tingling means quickly, she just quickly that dried out her tears to see what was coming. She was very eager because actually she was in that situation, even that she need help. Okay, now what happened? It was a white rabbit returning splendidly dressed with a white pair of gloves in one hand and large fan in another. Now see, you can check out on page number 28. We're having a rabbit, beautiful rabbit. Okay, what? It is wearing a coat with tie. Okay, having pair of gloves and having a fan in his hand. Okay. Now what happened? This is the picture is being described by the author. Okay. Now what happened? He came tottering along in a great hurry, muttering to himself as came, "Oh, the Duchess! Oh, won't she be angry if I have kept her waiting?" That means that rabbit started muttering to himself that definitely she might be angry because I kept her waiting. That the thing was muttered by the rabbit. Okay. Alice felt so desperate that she was ready to ask for help from anyone. That means Alice was so, you can say that in that condition that she was really ready to ask help from anyone because she was in, you can say, trouble, and she really wanted to come out from that trouble. That is why she was ready to ask help from anybody. Okay. Now what happened? When the rabbit came near to her, she began to say in a low voice, in a low timid voice. Timid means in a you can say slow voice. "If you please, sir." That means the Alice started when the rabbit was quite nearer to her. The Alice was ready to ask help from that rabbit, and she was in a very polite manner, in a very timid voice. That means you can say in a slow voice. She was ready to ask help. That "if you please, sir." The rabbit started violently, dropped the white gloves and fan and scurried away into the darkness. That means when the rabbit heard this voice, no, that is voice from that girl, Alice, what rabbit did? He just dropped the fan and gloves over there and ran away in the darkness, into the darkness. You can say into some other room. Now, Alice picked up the fan and gloves, and as the hall was very hot, she started fanning herself. She said to herself, "Dear, dear, how queer everything is today." That means, the place where that Alice got stuck. Okay, what she found, that was too hot. Okay, and what she found, she just took out that fan from there, and she started fanning to herself like this. Suppose this is the fan, like this. She started doing like this. Okay. And now she started saying to herself like that, what kind of thing is going on with me? It's really strange. Cure means strange. Okay. I wonder if I have been changed in the night. That means she started thinking that definitely something might change in the night. Let me think. Now she started thinking, was I the same when I got this morning? That means she started thinking that, am I the same person who got up in the morning? I think I can remember feeling a little different. But if I am not the same, the next question is, who in the world am I? That's a great puzzle. Now she started saying that if I am not in my world, and if I am not the same person I was, then who am I and where am I? That means, in what type of world am I? The puzzle, that question is going into her mind. Now, then she began thinking about all the children she knew, especially those who were of the same age as herself, to see if she could have been changed into any of them. Then she started thinking about friends of her. Okay, and you can say, because actually she wanted to remember that, am I able to recognize my friends and other members? Is there anything changed with all those things? I am sure I am not Ada. She said, for her hair goes in such long ringlets and mine does not go in ringlets at all. I am sure I can't be Mabel, for I know all sort of things and she knows so little. Besides, she is she and I am. Am I? How puzzling it is. I wonder if I know all the things I used to know. That means what she started thinking about, you can say Mabel. Mabel means a French beautiful girl. She started thinking about herself, the ringlets and all. And again the question remains the same into her mind, that what to do, how to overcome from the situation where she got stuck. I know all the things I used to know. Let us try geography. Now she started that, whether am I in conscious mind or not. She started asking question to herself. London is the capital of Paris and Paris is the capital of Rome. And Rome? No, that's all wrong. Am I certain? I must have been changed into Mabel. That means she started asking question to herself, that the capital of London is Rome. The capital of London is Paris, and Paris is the capital of Rome. Like this, she started trying to, you can say, test herself. Okay, and later on, because she got confused again, then she started saying that I must have been. That means she changed into a Mabel. Okay, it's a French girl. Mabel means a French beautiful girl. Like that, she thought that she might change from Alice to somebody else. Alice's eyes filled with tears and she said to herself, I must be Mabel after all. No, I have made up my mind about it. If I am Mabel, I will stay down here. Then she started saying that. Again, tears started coming into her eyes, and again she started saying that definitely I may not be Mabel. If I am like that, definitely I have to stay here, because I don't have any way to come out, because I am already 9 feet tall. And how it is possible for her to move out from that small door. Now, as she said this, looked down at her hand and was surprised to see that she had put on one of the white rabbit's little white gloves while she was talking. Now, while she was talking to herself, what she did, she just wore that white pair of gloves into her hand. How could I have done that? She thought, I must be growing small again. Now she started thinking that, how could I able to wear that small gloves, because the rabbit is already small. And how it is possible for me to have that small pair of gloves in my hand? Now she started thinking that definitely my height is shrinking now. I am coming back to my original height. She got up and went to the table to measure herself by it, and found that as nearly as she could guess, now she was now about 2 feet high and was going on shrinking rapidly. Now she came nearer to the table. Okay, now with the help of table she started, because earlier she was 9 feet tall. Okay, but later on what she found after wearing that gloves, she started thinking that definitely my height is coming down. So she she went nearer to the table and she measured. What she found that she is now around 2 feet tall. Okay, now and what happened, and rapidly she was getting, you can say, smaller and smaller. Now what happened? She soon found that the cause of this was the fan she was holding. She dropped it hastily just in time to avoid shrinking away altogether. Now she found that definitely I was using that fan like this, fanning to herself. Because of that, she, you can say, got shrink. Okay, and to stop shrinking, and because she was in the process to get shrinking and shrinking. So what she did, she stopped, just stopped that you can say fanning the fan and just threw out the gloves. Now that was a narrow escape, said Alice, a good deal frightened at a sudden change, but very glad to find herself still in existence. Now I must go to the garden. She ran with full speed back to the small door. Now what happened? She was really very happy that she was in her own original height, and whatever thing happened, she just adapted it. Okay, and after coming back to the original size, what she did, she just ran back from the small door because her height was now okay to move out from that door. So what happened, she just moved out into the garden, and so with this the chapter ends. Now kids, what you have to do, I have already written the difficult words on the blackboard. I hope this is visible to you. Okay, what you have to do apart from this also, if you found that there are some more words which is quite difficult for you to understand, just write down that word and with their meaning. You have to use dictionary to find out the meaning of these words. Okay, write it down in your notebook. So till the time kids, thank you.